Hey everyone, it is Lesh here and I'm back with another beauty review, and it's on a new brand that I actually just discovered. They just sent me a package in the mail recently, so I'm here to try it out. They're a all-around beauty company or brand, not company, brand that literally sells everything. So it is Glo. I just found out about Glo. You can actually buy a lot of things from them. So on even in this picture in the front, it shows like skincare and makeup, and they actually sent me 2 packs of skincare and then some lipstick, which we're gonna try out, and I'm gonna show you wash off the rest of this makeup with the skincare to see how well it goes, see how it feels, and then we'll get like a whole basic review of whether Glo actually makes us glow, because you better live up to your name, right? So basically what they say on this little card here, so I'm gonna read it to you to give you all of what it's saying. It says, a complete skincare regimen starts with your cleanser and ends with your lipstick. So of course I already washed my face this morning, but the key thing that I always say with a cleanser is whether it washes your face at night. It needs to take off all of the shininess and the oil that's built up to the day, the makeup that's been on all day. Like, I needed to take all of this off. Yes, I know my face, once it goes in the pillow, gets dirty because I'm laying on the pillow and I'm still laying in some dirt because I cleaned it at night, but the pillow contains dirt. But anyway, and it's easy for cleansers to clean your face in the morning and get it ready. Then, like, I mean, for me in the morning, it's all about my moisturizer and how well my moisturizer sits, and then how like well the moisturizer and the primer does for my makeup. But then at night, I really need a good cleanser to clean off the makeup, help me with my eye makeup. I use like eye makeup remover, but anyway, I needed to get all those impurities off at night. My biggest thing with skincare is what a cleanser can do for my skin at night. So even though it says a complete skincare regimen starts with your cleanser and ends with your lipstick, we're doing this at night. So I actually got, again, a beauty skincare and makeup products for my personal use. So I actually got 4 lipsticks. We're gonna try those out real quick, and then we're gonna do the cleanser like I just said, and then we're gonna talk about at the end what we thought about the skincare and get into all of that. So again, if you're interested in more reviews, make sure you leave comments. Tell me what you think about all the products as we're going through them. I love to hear what you hear, but let's get started. Let's start with the first thing I'm loving about the lipsticks for Glo in the first place is the packaging. So of course I took them out the box, but this is like a matte felt like metal casing. Like, it just looks like luxury. Like, I'm all about luxury for the non-luxurious price, but this just gives me like, I'm loving the way this looks, how it feels, and how it's gonna look like even on my makeup. Like, I would put this out even after it's empty just to make it look like I got luxury makeup. But this is great. So the first color we have here is Date Night. So Date Night lipstick. So again, I'm trying this out with you for the first time. So this is definitely a color I would wear. Definitely a me color. So as always, I usually just do the bottom lip for try on and just smooth it around to see how well it actually can transfer to the top. So it's actually very pigmented, and I don't even think I use a lot. So like, even if you look at it right here, you could see I didn't swipe that much, not a lot was taking off, but it's very pigmented. I'm loving this color. The fact that it's like not like a very like vibrant red, but it's still red, but it's not like a maroon. I definitely wear this. This is like the red I need in my life. This is definitely, so this again is Date Night, which is appropriate because I would wear this on a date night because you got this red feel, matches like the red roses that you want to get. So maybe like you show this to your man, you're like, roses, I'm not wearing this until you get me some roses and take me out. So the next color we have is French Nude. So again, it's a nude color, very basic. This is actually one that I would definitely be using too. So these are all colors that are for me. So we're gonna do the bottom lip and again, transfer it on like I usually do. So it goes on very creamy, and it's definitely a nude. Like, I put a good, I mean, I put like the same amount on I put the last one on, but you can see it still gave me this nude look. And for someone who like doesn't have, like, when I get nudes with my skin complexion, I get really turned off when it's actually not a nude for me. Cause I'm like, okay, whose nude is this? It's not my nude. When are they gonna make a nude for me? Like, I want a nude lip color where I can just go out and feel like I have lipstick on Let's give me one lip color and not anything. But they've done this. This is what Glo did. Glo gave me that nude look. Like, this is something, like, I think this is gonna be my new morning go to work lipstick that I can wear. It's nude. It's my nude. It's everything. So the next color we have is Pillow Talk. So again, it's another nude color, a little bit more on pink away from the last nude. Probably somewhere in the middle. So let's again try this out. So I like the color. This is like the color I usually use when, like, if you see me in Instagram photos where you'll see kind of like this reddish tint, but it's still light on my lips. So what I do is I outline it in like a maroon or burgundy lip liner, and then I put this in there, but like I put a little bit more in. One day I'll show you how to do it, but I outline it and then I put this color on just to like even it out and give it a little bit deeper complexion, but it sits well by itself. This is usually the color they say is nude, but it's not nude. So I like the fact that they called this Pillow Talk and not nude, because it's not nude. It's like a pink color. You can blend it out, you can wear it by itself, but I do, again, like this color. It's a great color and it fits me and I can use this. So it's like another add-on. So now I'm gonna definitely compare this to the other color, like the other lipstick brand I have in this color, just to see like which one lasts more, and then again, which one is better for price point. So the last color we're gonna try is called Bullseye. So it's a deep red, which again, I'm not against reds. I'm just always a little hesitant with reds because I don't want to look like I'm going out and doing way too much. So let's try this on, see how deep it is. And usually with red, I try not to put on too much and just try to blend it out. So it's not bad. I think if like I try to put on too much, it would be like a little overwhelming. I'm not saying it's not a color, like this would be something I would wear not for date night. The date night was the perfect date night. This is definitely like I'm going out with the girls. We're about to get some drinks. We're about to turn up. Like I'm about to be doing everything. I'm about to leave like lipstick stains on all of my glasses. People know I was there. You know, kiss a tissue, you know, sign it, whatever you're doing out there. But it's not bad. So I liked all four of these, but this one's great as well. Speaking of price point, the Glo lipsticks actually run for about $24, which isn't bad, especially for the colors that you're getting. And of course you can get more than the colors that I just showed you. They have everything on there. Again, everything. But the lipsticks were fabulous. So now we're about to wash this face and see how their skincare works. Because obviously if they're gonna say, oh, I'm a lipstick or makeup and skincare, like they both better work. So I'm having high hopes for the skincare because the lips went so well, but again, we have to try it out. So let's go take a look at this and see how it goes. All right guys, so we're here. We're about to check out how the Glo Beauty skincare actually does. So they have two that they sent me. One is the Phytoactive Cream Cleanser. If you can see it, it's cream cleanser, just trust me on it. And the other one is the Daily Bright Polishing Cleanser. So you can see that this one is like, if you can see how small it is usually in the shape, it's actually like a scrub, so it cleanses and exfoliates, while this one's just a cream cleanser. So this will come out as a powder, while this will come out as a cream. So I'm gonna try to do half and half to see you can see the difference. We'll see how that goes, just because I want to try both, because I can't wash my face and then wash my face to make up all. So let's see how this works out and see how it goes. I'm gonna leave my eye makeup on also to see how well, let's see how well it actually does with eye makeup as well as the rest of the makeup I have on. Not all cleansers do really well with eye makeup. You should take it off first. That's what I usually do, but I always like to try it out when I get new cleansers. This is actually the exfoliating, more the exfoliating cleanser versus the cream cleanser. So it actually took my eye makeup off, mostly. This one was getting there, so it's actually pretty good. So overall for skincare, I think this did actually really good. So my face feels like supple and clean, and this is something like definitely at the end of the day I could take off my makeup with. Again, the exfoliating side, not the cream cleanser, but the other one actually took off the eye makeup mostly, while the other one still left a residue. There's actually none actually left on my eyelashes either. And I have like waterproof mascara, so it actually did a really good taking the makeup off if you don't want to use like your own makeup remover before washing your face. So I'm really happy with this. I'd probably definitely give Glo Beauty, the skincare and the lipstick, definitely an 8 out of 10. If I were to rate it, just based off of like the other things I usually use in my experience. I'm really interested to see how their moisturizers work. The real trick with me when it comes to skincare brands is their moisturizer, whether it leaves my skin hydrated and not getting shiny and oily by the middle of the day, because I have such dry skin, it gets shiny and starts overproducing oil because it's so dry. So if you didn't know that, your skin may not be oily because you're shiny in the middle of the day. It's because it's dry and it's making up for the oil, in case you didn't know. But skincare did very well. So remember everybody, you can get the Glo skincare brand on the links I've left for you below. Leave comments, tell me if you liked them, what you didn't like, maybe something that's better. Just comment, leave me some love. Let's see what you want to see next. Again, you can find their Instagram below, the links below. Go to the lipsticks I got. I'll give you all of the colors again. Tell me what you thought. Tell me which ones you thought you looked better. Basically everything. So this is, again, Glo Skincare. I've also left you a special discount code below, which will get you about, what did it say it's going to get you? Get you 15% off. So you can see this. This is actually a legit coupon. You use Living Lesh 15. Again, it's below Living Lesh 15. And on your first purchase, you can get 15% off, which is a good amount. So if you kind of think about it, with the lipsticks, if you buy lipstick, it's $24. So you'll probably get about like $2 or $3 off. Take it down. Hopefully you get free shipping. You gotta go online. I know there's a bunch of coupon codes on there. And again, follow them on Instagram. I've been following them and they keep like talking about all these other things that I'm about to go get to try those out as well. So if there's anything that you see on Glo Skincare and you're like, you know what, I need Lesh to try this out, leave it in the comments, send me an email, DM me on Instagram, say, girl, you need to try this out because I want to see it before I get it and I want you to get it first because you be telling the truth. Real talk, let me know. Again, everybody, thanks for coming by. See you next time.